I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide your liked TikTok videos. Your liked TikTok videos are compiled into a section on your profile screen where you and anyone else who views your TikTok profile can easily see. Thankfully, if you don't like the idea of other people being able to go through and watch the videos you've liked on TikTok, you can easily hide your liked TikTok videos. Now let's walk through the steps to hide your liked TikTok videos. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Your TikTok profile screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen. A menu pops up at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap Settings and Privacy in this menu. The Settings and Privacy screen is shown. Step 4. Find the Account section and then tap Privacy in that section. The Privacy screen opens. Step 5. Scroll down to the Interactions section and then tap Liked Videos. A Liked Videos menu pops up at the bottom of your screen, prompting you to choose who can watch your liked videos. Step 6. Tap to fill in the selector next to Only Me. Your liked TikTok videos will be hidden going forward from anyone viewing your profile. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.